If you're looking for a healthy superfruit packed snack, let me show you how to make an acai bowl. It's really easy to customize the base. Let's get started. Acai are really small purple berries grown in the rainforest. They're found in clusters on super tall palm trees. Once they're harvested, they start to break down really quickly, so they need to be either frozen or dried. They're naturally low in sugar and contain various vitamins and minerals, and they're high in antioxidants, rivaling blueberries twofold. They have blackberry and cocoa notes, adding a really interesting flavor to different recipes. For the acai bowls, we're going to use frozen puree, which you can buy in the freezer section of the grocery store. They come either sweetened or unsweetened. They come in these little individual packs, which are about 3/4 cups in size, perfect to make one smoothie bowl. When making an acai bowl, there are certain components that you need to have a really thick and spoonable consistency. You want to use all frozen fruit and no ice like you would in a smoothie because you don't want to dilute the flavor. The bowls are very customizable, but here is my go-to base. 1 packet of frozen acai berry. This is about 100 grams or 3/4 cups. 1.5 cups of your chosen frozen fruits like raspberries, mangoes, blueberries, blackberries, bananas, pineapples, or strawberries. For extra creaminess and protein, you can add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt or your favorite nut butter. For a boost of sweetness, you can add 1 to 3 teaspoons of honey, pure maple syrup, some agave nectar or sugar, or you could even add in some dates. Add in 1 cup of leafy greens for extra boost in nutrition. I like to either use spinach or kale. Now for the fun part, choosing your toppings. I like to add a variety of fresh fruits. For extra protein, add a scoop of nut butter or your favorite nuts. For a protein boost, you could blend in your favorite protein powder or top it with chopped nuts or nut butter. I also love adding some superfood boosters like matcha green tea powder, chia or flax seeds. There's a specific blending sequence you should use when making the bowls. Make sure to add any liquid first. This will help break down and process any of the ingredients. If you plan on using any protein powder or matcha, add it in with the liquid. Now add your leafy greens, followed by frozen foods on top. Now we're ready to blend. If you're a fan of berries, you're going to love this refreshing acai bowl. For this recipe, I'm using 5 different types of berries, but the grocery stores also sell mixed berry packs, so you don't have to buy them separately if you don't want to. To the blender, add 1/4 cup of coconut water, 1 packet of acai berry, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. This adds a nice creaminess. 1/2 cup frozen sliced bananas, 1/2 cup frozen strawberries, 1/4 cup frozen blueberries, 1/4 cup frozen raspberries, 1 teaspoon of honey. Blend on medium speed for 30 seconds. Use the tamper to help process the fruit. Process on medium-high speed for about 15 seconds, adding more coconut water if needed. Wow, check out this gorgeous berry bowl. Spoon it into a bowl. I like to freeze my bowls before adding in the puree so it stays nice and chilly. Now let's add on the toppings. Sliced banana, ripe strawberries, raspberries, few pineapples, kiwi, blackberries, blueberries, and some toasted coconut flakes. For a heartier acai bowl, I'm adding 3 different types of protein. For a protein-packed acai bowl, we're going to add some Greek yogurt, peanut butter, and your favorite protein powder. 1/4 cup of cashew or almond milk, 1 packet of frozen acai berry, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 1 scoop of protein powder, 1/2 cup of frozen bananas, 1/2 cup of frozen strawberries, 1/2 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 teaspoon of honey. Blend on medium speed for about 30 seconds and then medium-high for 15. The mixture is nice and thick. Add it to a chilled bowl. That way you can enjoy it a little longer. Add a little extra nut butter on top. Sliced bananas, strawberries, blueberries, granola. Ooh, I love a little crunch. For an extra nutritional boost, this superfood acai bowl is a delicious snack. I'm going to add a variety of superfruits, vegetables, and green tea powder into the bowl. 1/4 cup of pomegranate juice, 1 teaspoon matcha powder, half a cup of baby spinach, half a cup of baby kale, half a cup frozen banana, quarter cup frozen strawberries, quarter cup frozen blueberries, quarter cup frozen blackberries, half a cup frozen raspberries, 1 packet of frozen acai berry, 1 teaspoon honey. Blend on medium speed for 30 seconds, then medium-high speed for 15. I love making this flavor for my kids so they get a ton of fruits and vegetables into their snack. Top with sliced bananas, raspberries, a few blackberries, blueberries, granola, cocoa nibs, chia seeds, and a sprinkle of matcha green tea powder. For an island-inspired tropical treat, let's make this acai bowl. For a tropical flavor, I'm adding my favorite island ingredients like coconut, pineapple, and mango. Quarter cup coconut milk, 1 packet of frozen acai berry, half cup frozen bananas, half cup frozen pineapple, half cup frozen mangoes, 1 teaspoon of honey. Blend on medium speed for 30 seconds and 15 on medium high. Ooh, tropical flavors without having to jump on a plane. This is one of my favorite flavors to make during the summer. Smooth it out so we can add the toppings. Add some fresh strawberries, sliced banana, kiwi. Of course you gotta have some pineapple, granola, who doesn't like a little crunch, and toasted coconut flakes. Adds a little extra sweetness. Now that you know how to make different flavors of acai bowls, which one would you make first? Leave a comment below. For the full recipe, check out my website, jessicagavin.com. See you in the next video. So good.